Okay, so I'm literally in my car right now because it is snowing. Yes, it's snowing in the end of April because it's April 20th. It's 4:20 and look, it's snowing. Took my keys out. Close my door a little bit more. So I'm just gonna show you basically what I use, well, what I've been using at the beginning of this year. So let me take this out because this is like a work task. So yeah, so every single day I use this lip gloss. This is the grapefruit lip gloss that I was talking about with the other one by Kimchi Beauty. This is what I use every day. I use this hand sanitizer every day. It's literally like 35 degrees right now. I use this Tweezerman nail file every day. Okay, real quick, while I was editing, I forgot to mention this is the hand cream that I also use. The color of my nails right now is this, and I have this as a top coat, so this is going to stay in here because I also have this from January. So that's gonna go in the house. This Kylie lip liner, this could stay. My comb when my hair is straight. And also, well, I used it for my wig last, so I gotta go wash it. I also bought another one, so okay, we're just gonna get into some weird stuff. Probably some rings that I wore and then I just took off and threw them in here. This is a clear coat, long wear top coat. I can go in the house. This is actually, I'm going to throw it out. It's this and Soulmate. That's what it's called, the color. I don't like it. It smells, I was given to in a beauty box. It smells like it's expired. I have some gum. This clear gloss I'm gonna throw away. This nail polish, I don't know when I have this color on. I can go inside. I have this in February, March. Oh, I have another Tweezerman nail file, so I can go inside. Beauty Insider card. And I'll leave you my work pass. Okay, you guys. I thought there was more, but maybe not. For some reason, I'm seeing like the corner of this, and I want Chick-fil-A. Okay, I was like, is that a Chick-fil-A card? No, it's still the Beauty Insider card. Okay, guys, thanks for watching.